Holy moly, moly, moly.
Welcome to the Bofi channel. Today we are playing with fidgets. Okay, so we've got loads of fidgets.
These are her fidgets, by the way, not mine. I wish I had these many fidgets, but no.
Oh, y'all, there's more as well.
Yeah, she's got loads more.
But we're going to do that in part 2 of
Yeah.
showing fidgets.
So there's going to be like another YouTube video.
And
like,
part 2 might not be for a couple of weeks.
yeah, maybe not a couple of weeks.
But yeah, so first of all, my favourite, the needle.
Yeah, a needle. Okay.
Beautiful.
And octopus.
You have to squeeze it right in front of the camera.
Sorry. Nope.
Okay, now we have got a acupressure ring. They're so satisfying and they feel good on your finger.
Enjoy.
And then we have the then we have these marble meshes where they're really cool and they're really fun and satisfying.
Yeah. Okay. And she's got like a million, whatever they're called. I forgot.
Monkey noodles.
Yes, monkey noodles.
You missed out 3 or 4.
Oh, she's got loads.
And then we got these little spiky balls. Let's get rained in monkey noodles. You just took my fidget. Okay, now we've got mochis and we've got about too many.
Yeah.
These are all my mochis.
She's got loads. I've got loads at home, mochis.
In part 2, he
Ow.
is going to show you guys his mochis. He's got too many.
Yes, and I'm going to show you all my fidgets. So like,
Oh, what are these? You forgot them. What are these? They're not fidgets.
yeah, these are not fidgets, but look.
You
at-
guys!
Yeah.
We have got a block infinity cube. It's amazing and satisfying. Where y'all going? Okay. We have this cool little blue ball. So cool. Oh my god, it's only made out of air, you guys. So whenever we try to do that, then the air comes out. So yeah. Okay, and then we have like this thing, don't even work. And then we got
What's that blue thing in there?
the little chance. And we got this little pea in the pod. Which cool. Whatever this is, it's not a fidget. This is cool as well.
Is that even a fidget?
And then we got this dimple.
Yeah.
And yeah, that's really cool. DNA ball, we can't forget the DNA ball. I already showed that.
Okay, I'm showing this. So, I think this really isn't a good fidget because it's so hard.
Exactly, like if you want to squish it and have a good experience, like wouldn't you want
You
to squish
literally have to
something?
use 2 hands. That's hard. It's really hard.
So this fidget, I would give a 1 out of 10.
Yes, we're not writing fidgets, by the way. I'm joking.
Well, yeah, but
And we've got Simple Dimple. She has 2.
we've got 2 fidget spinners. This poppet one where the red is broken. It's a material girl. You show the other one.
Okay, and this one. It's quite a normal one. It's just got balls in there.
Okay, and now we're not going to show them.
She's got these.
We're not going to show them.
Why?
Man, nobody cares about the bracelets.
Puppy bracelets, guys. She don't want to show them.
Well, yeah, but there are ways to.
Oh my god!
I've got way too many wacky traps.
What the hell?
Too many.
I'll ruin the black and white.
Do you want to take it? can take it. I have loads.
Sure. Okay, just let me off now.
We got this pop tube.
Oh, please don't.
It's so amazing. Oh my gosh, like how can you
so loud.
It's so loud but amazing. Like how can you not love it?
It's okay, I love it, but it's really loud. Guys, this, on my opinion, it's alright. Smells quite nice. Smell it.
Yeah, it does actually.
Okay, it's alright, but it's just hard there.
Oh yeah, because we have to glue that back on.
Oh, sad.
And y'all, in my puppet drawer, this is what we have. We got this heart one.
You've got this, and she's got this,
And this.
and this,
And this.
and a dinosaur,
And this. And this. And this.
Okay, yeah.
And all the
I get
packets.
the point. Okay. Anyways, guys.
That's the end of today's video. But make sure you comment down below your favorite fidgets that you saw today.
And please, guys.
please rate them, subscribe, like, and turn on the notifications so you never miss a video.
And one thing, please don't hate on us.
Yeah,
This is like our first video.
this is our first video, so don't hate on me.
I've got my own YouTube channel, but we're not putting that in.
Go to his YouTube channel at Blake King. Guys, what flip?
Why is this feel so